Yo dudes, welcome to a Christmas quesadilla, something that might sound like an oxymoron. You might go, this is crazy, why did I click on this? Bear with us, this is magnificent. A great way of using your Christmas leftovers. It will literally take you 5 minutes from start to finish and you'll be amazed with the flavour you pack in. First step we're gonna make is our parsnip, carrot and potato cheese. Yes, I did say that. Trust us, it's great. Take about 60 to 70 grams of roasted or cooked root vegetables. So I've got a few potatoes, a few parsnips, not very many, and a few carrots. About a teaspoon of garlic powder, might seem strange in your cheese. Juice of half a lemon or else a little dash of vinegar of choice. 60 ml of a neutral tasting oil. And then we're gonna go 30 grams of the Happy Pear oat milk. Where do we get it? The Happy Pear, yeah, anyway, so oat milk, or if you don't have oat milk, you just use water. But it tastes much better with the Happy Pear oat milk. So when you're making this yourself, you want to kind of work to get the correct texture. So we're doing this kind of just off a general rule of thumb. When you're making it at home, the last thing you want to be doing is weighing out your leftovers. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Okay, so needs a little bit more carrot. We want to make it more yellow in color or more orange in color. I'm going to put a little bit more salt through it. Pop it in. A tiny little bit more. No, we'll put a little bit more oat milk. I'm going to go with a nice generous pinch of salt. Okay, looks pretty cool now, genuinely. Ooh, that's proper. Anyway, look at that for a lovely texture, look. Really nice. Wow, a lot of flavour in that. Genuinely delicious. Okay, time to make our Christmas quesadilla. Got a wide bottom non-stick pan. We're gonna put it on a medium heat. Pop on our tortilla. Use corn if you have corn. We're simply using whole wheat. It'll work fine, don't worry. Okay, first step, take our cheese. It's our cheese, it's nacho cheese. That's really bad, I'm sorry. So spread out the nacho cheese. You wanna get both sides of it. Okay, on top of that, we're gonna go with some Brussels sprouts. Parsnips on top next. And then take your potatoes and just mash them in your hand just to release the starch. That's gonna help hold this together. Next step, we've got some cranberry sauce. This is gonna provide a nice sweet bit of acidity to the dish. Be generous with this. Okay, and then take our Wellington. We're gonna take the filling from our Wellington and just crumble it across the top. Even a little bit of pastry, don't worry. This is all about using leftovers. Take a spatula, scoop up the side just before it starts to burn. Okay, once you're feeling confident that it's nicely done, let's just flip it over. Be really careful here. Whoa. Okay, now for the moment of truth. We have made our, it smells almost like a pancake. It smells so beautiful. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, voila, we lost a couple of sprouts in the process. Okay, this one's so big, I'm gonna chop it into quarters. Oh, nice and crispy. Oh, look at this. Okay, you ready? Look at that, it's gooey, it's cheesy, it's magnificent. Oh, I am properly, can't wait to get into this. Wow. That cheese is,
Not yours, nachos.
so good. That cheese is nacho cheese. Sorry, excuse all these poor jokes, but really, really tasty. Genuinely took 5 minutes from start to finish. You have your own nacho cheese. It's delicious, it's easy. Feliz Navidad. Thanks a mil for watching. If you do cook it, let us know below. Let us know if you would cook this. And please subscribe because we love doing this. Thanks a mil. Happy day. Bye.